Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're here for the first time, I'm Vanessa and you're welcome to my channel. Feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more videos with me, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be doing my hair. So practically I'm going to be doing the BANTU, I think it's called that. So I'm going to be doing the BANTU knots on my hair. So I decided to like make my hair instead of just leaving it that way, like maybe do some protective style on me. Okay, yeah, so let's just get straight into the video. So for the most part I'm just going to be doing the hair because it's my first time doing the hair, so I really don't know what I'm doing. So just watch. Actually, I don't know where to start sectioning this hair from. Like, I won't even start it and I'm tired because I don't know how to section this hair. I don't know where to section it from. I have no idea what to do. Okay. Progress. Baby steps, okay? Baby steps. And if I'm able to cut this hair without having it too rough, then that is a plus. But we're not gonna give up, okay? I think this is the most I can do for this part. Like, I know it's not small, but I think that's the best I can do. I think it's wiser for you to like have someone section it for you before you make it. It's gonna look horrible right now. Oh, hi, we go with that one. Okay, so for the back I'm going to like have another section again, just so I can like have 3 sections of this type. It's going to be a little bit difficult because at least this I could say it. Yeah, but we're gonna do it anyway. So okay, so first step done. Okay, so now we're going to go into like resectioning. Like cutting into the size of the bantu knot that I want to do. So I'm going to start off with this. This is stressful. I'm stressing, I'm sweating. I just sectioned it into 3 knots. I didn't even do one. So now I'm going to try and like cut it into like triangular shapes to make like give it a little bit style, you know. Okay. One down, 900 more to go. we done with the front. Okay, so we done with the frontal section. I'm sure you can see like they're not that small, like the lining is not that small, but I don't care. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done sectioning into two smaller portions. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the bantu knots. Yeah, but let me tell you, it was stressful. Like I'm sweating, like you need to see the way I'm sweating right now, just sectioning alone. It's crazy, just mad. I'm going to be using a pre-stretched extension to do it. It's made with gold, as you can see. So I'm going to start off by braiding it just so you can like have a foundation. I don't know, I don't really like it that much. I'm just going to like leave it for now and maybe do the rest, and if I see that it doesn't really match this, I'm going to like change it. I don't like it, like I just don't, because I'm really not like, I feel like it's just too big, you know. Do I like it? Honestly, I'm tired. I don't really want to do this anymore. I'm going to try the twisting method to see if everything could come out looking like this, and if that's the case, then good. If not, probably won't be posting this video, but hopefully I post it. So if I post it, at least it came out. You know what? Not bad for my first time, but horrible for my personal self. This, oh god, now I'm tired. Can we just like stop this video for now? Like just stop the video here, because honestly I am tired. But I ain't give it up, okay? Next. That is done. Okay, so one side is done. Now remaining the other side. It's remaining three to go. Yeah, I've got the last one. I didn't think I would like finish this hair, honestly. Like I thought I would just leave it halfway. Well, let's just finish it. Like it's nice, not like I think for my first time this actually not bad. Looking sweet. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle. Yeah, obviously, yeah, the hair wasn't easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this, more of hair, even makeup, just drop a comment down below and I would get to it. But for now, bye.